guys are crazy.
Keep her asthmatic, you know?
Okay, cool. Okay, just text me. James! James! Tomorrow's gonna be there. The borscht and Polish pickles over there. It's really delicious.
For sure.
Now you can be happy.
Fluff rib.
Danielle? Yeah. Thank you.
You're still looking a little bit Okay, you ready? Oh, not canceled.
Okay, what is it?
Danish Abelskriver from Apple Cart.
Take a bite.
I don't think I can.
Just kind of keep looking. Just the like regular tone.
Oh wow.
I don't know what that is. Give me a bite.
Yep, worth the price.
It's hot with jam.
Whatever.
Oh, that one's gorgeous too. That you just picked up.
Do you make that? Homeless man's harassing.
Did you have fun?
I got this warm
Don't talk.
neck koozie. I had fun.
Don't talk.
Did you have fun?
You might
says-
literally die if you talk.
Don't talk. The sidewalk's slippery. I wore the wrong boots.
I wore the Aurora.
He wore what? I'm not putting.
was a child, we walked uphill 20 miles both ways just to get to school. Walked up